Instagram, how to switch to personal account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can switch to personal account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to switch to a personal account on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application. Let's say you have a professional page and then you come to your profile icon and then you want to switch back to your personal account. For that, you want to make sure to tap the three lines option. Now do not freak out if you see something like this. The interface has changed a little bit. It is still the same if you still have the old interface as well. From here on, what you actually want to do is simply go to account type and tools. When you go to account type and tools, here you can see switch to professional or add new professional account. Now if you're already on professional account, you'll find the option to actually switch to a personal account. If you're on professional, vice versa. So if you're on professional, you can just select personal option and then simply switch them and confirm the changes. This way you'll be able to switch to personal account on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.